Hey everyone, Matt here from Herbal House, and in this video I'm here to talk to you about air-cooled reflectors. Now first off, I'll just run through the packaging. Obviously there is an air-cooled reflector included in this beautiful box, and it is completely packed with foam to keep it nice and safe because there is a glass face on here. There is a pair of hangers that you'll use to suspend this from a ratchet hanger or something of the likes, and the included power cable is already pre-fitted. So those are the essential components here. Now let's actually talk about the air-cooled reflector itself. Why would you want one of these? Essentially this is there to replace your standard wing reflector, and the idea behind it is it's there to suck the heat from your grow space. Heat is a very big problem for HPS or metal halide HID equipment, and the idea is this is there to extract that heat from your grow space as fast as possible, which is why it has a glass piece over the front and two inlets or outlets, sorry, on either end. So what you do is you connect your 150mm ducting or fan to either end, and you're just going to be sucking the hot air straight off the bulb before it gets into your grow space and extracting it from the room. This makes a massive difference, especially during summer, to those grow room running temperatures. Alright, so taking a closer look at actually how this thing is put together, you'll see you've got your inlet or outlet there, and again on the other side they're both spigots designed for 150mm ducting. Pretty straightforward there. You're going to connect that on there and ensure there's airflow going across it. You can daisy chain multiple of these in a row, very common in commercial applications and even domestic. And like I said, it's there to just extract the heat before it gets into your grow space. But most importantly, when you are setting this up, you're going to want to just remove this plate at the end, a couple of spring-loaded screws, and be very careful with this big piece of glass. Let me just pull that out nice and easy. And this is where you're going to fit your bulb, just in the socket here. And of course, please don't forget to remove the protective film or liner that they have fitted just over the reflective surface, because if you don't remove that, fire up the bulb, it's going to mount, wrap around the bulb and not be very nice. So that's how you're going to service this when it's actually installed. If you don't want to remove the glass piece before installing, just reach in through here, fit your bulb, and you're good to go. But this is the service panel, just be careful again, it is glass. So what we're going to do is we're going to set one of these up in a tent and show you just what it looks like in application. Okay, so as you can see, we have set up the wing reflector inside our display tent we've got here in the showroom. We've connected it to a 600-watt digital ballast just to power up the light so you can see what it looks like. Now, we have connected a 150mm duct here to a 150mm fan that we've got on our wall for display purposes, and the idea is you're going to see how this would operate. So you'd have your air come in through the grow space, up here through the inlet, across the bulb drawing the heat away, through the duct and out through the fan. So that's going to extract the heat from your grow space. A lot of people in domestic environments are going to leave this open, so what's going to happen is they're going to draw the air from their grow space, extract it out, and heck, they can even include a filter on there to ensure the odour is being extracted at the same time. In commercial applications, they'll connect a duct 2 here and draw fresh air in from outside of the grow space, straight across the bulb and straight back out, so they're not messing with the air or CO2 enriched air that they've got in their grow space. So that's essentially how most people would set these up, and at least the best way to do it. And like I said, they do have the service panel glass here, so if you needed to replace the bulb, that's the easiest way to do it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, please get in touch with us here at Herbal House.